Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on what is identity theft and its warning sign which you should not ignore. It is an extremely stressful situation when you find out that you are the victim of identity theft or some other type of credit score malfunctions. It is costly in terms of lowering your credit worthiness. Though you are financially protected, you are still an identity theft victim. It takes significant action and commitment on your part to recorrect it. Identity theft is when someone steals your personal information with the intent of establishing credit under your name and subsequently charging goods and services to you. This could include someone using your credit card to make unauthorized purchases or using your identity to take out loans. The type of personal information a criminal can use of your includes your name, address, and social security number. Several ways are commonly employed to produce this information. Obtaining discarded bills or statements, gaining possession of lost or stolen wallet, stealing your mail, acquiring a copy of your credit report through fraudulent and deceptive internet scam. Make sure you discard your bills or statement or old credit card in a proper manner so that it cannot be a weapon for criminal minded people to use for your identity. In case you lost your wallet or it was stolen, it is important to file a complaint, and also you should stop using all your debit and credit cards. Beware of internet scam. You do not have to open each and every link until and unless it is from a genuine source. In India, 4 out of 10 people have experienced identity theft. It also found that while 61% of respondents feel well protected against identity theft, 63% would have no idea what to do in case of an identity theft, and more than 3/4 wish they had more information on what to do if it were to happen. One of the reports revealed that men are more prone to identity thefts and cyber attacks than women. About 44% of participants who had faced identity theft were men, while 33% were women. Similarly, 84% victims of some form of cybercrimes were men, compared with 76% women. Compared with global peers, 81% Indians are more worried about their privacy. The global average is 67%. We are sure now you would like to know how you can find that you are a victim of identity theft. Hence, let's get into the warning signs which should not be ignored from the early stage of itself. Unfamiliar activity on your credit report. Your credit report will list new credit cards as having been issued in your name that you never applied for or received, or account that you did not open and know nothing about. Charges for account you know nothing. You will notice unauthorized charges on your monthly credit card statement or bank statement, missing or unfamiliar bills. You stop receiving monthly credit card statements or important bills altogether. In addition to that, you begin receiving bills from companies you have never done business with. You receive call from debt collectors. It is possible for someone to use your name and personal information to rack up debts. You begin receiving calls from creditors or collection agencies about accounts you know nothing about. If you discover that you are a victim of identity theft or some type of credit related fraud, here are some steps to follow. Notify your creditors and bank immediately to discuss this issue. In case if you had a credit card lost or stolen, or you find out potentially fraudulent charges on your statement, report that immediately to the bank or credit card issuer. Immediately contact the local police department and file a report and obtain its copy. Do not throw away or destroy any paperwork related to credit fraud or identity theft. Change your password and PIN on all your debit cards, credit cards, internet banking, and mobile banking. File a complaint on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal by clicking on cybercrime.gov.in. Hire a professional credit counseling organization or credit counselor to assist you in this matter to resolve it. These are all the basics you should know to avoid any kind of identity theft and credit related fraud. We assume this will really help you in many ways, and we wish all you to be protected from all kind of fraud. For more details, any suggestions, advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.